We're at the Star store in Tomorrowland at Disneyland Park. We're gonna go take a look inside the store right now. Say hi, Cassidy.
Hello.
Hey. Let's go. Cassidy, did you see the girls back there dressed like Tweedledee and Tweedledum? Yeah. What? Oh, press penny. You want to get one?
I don't, do you?
Yeah.
You're the penny guy.
Yeah. Does anybody have any?
Wallet?
Yeah, but don't have any coins in the wallet.
You don't need coins. You use your debit card.
Oh.
For your
Oh, okay.
credit card, either one.
Okay, here in the C.
Look, all 8 for $5. You want all 8 of them?
Yeah, sure. It's only
So look, we have
8 for $5.
all 8.
Yeah.
Credit card. Okay. Swipe.
Oh, swipe?
That's what it says.
Oh, wait a minute. It's scanned too.
Oh, it did it already. Okay, put the card away then.
Yeah.
Why don't you let me put... Oh, it's in your pocket. If we're on a ride, you're going to be flipping and flopping. Let me put it in the fanny pack.
Yeah. Just do it when we get on a ride. Oh, did you see those? Lights.
Be careful, because we don't want to carry around a bunch of shit while we're on rides.
I know. Oh, and they have lightsabers from the Star Wars movies. Toy lightsabers. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Okay. Enjoying the time at Disneyland so far?
Yeah, so far it's been good.
That's good.
Must be done.
There's like 8 of them, I think. They're all Star Wars related.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Here, let's see. Let's see. Show the camera. There's a Rey from Star Wars The Force Awakens. I think that's Luke Skywalker from the original Star Wars movies. Yoda. Darth Vader. I think this is Kylo Ren, I'm thinking. Princess Leia. BB-8 from Star Wars The Force Awakens. And R2-D2. It's pretty cool. Do you want... Okay. Let's go take a look around the store. Oh, that's cool. Mickey Mouse ears that have lightsabers on them from Star Wars. That's really cool. Cassidy, look. Mickey ears with lightsabers on them from Star Wars. Darth Vader shirt. Like how the cast members are like wearing space like uniforms. That's pretty cool.
Right before we came right here, a few minutes ago. The lady...
Because this is Tomorrowland at Disneyland. It's supposed to be about outer space in the future. This land at Disneyland. Let's go take a look around the store real quick. Oh, there's a wreath right here with Star Wars characters on them. And plates that have the Ewoks on them from Star Wars Episode 6 Return of the Jedi. Oh, that's cool. Star Wars long sleeve shirt with collectible toy pictures of the Stormtrooper, Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker, Han Solo, Princess Leia, C-3PO, and Chewbacca from the original Star Wars movies. Oh, and R2-D2, can't forget him. Vintage action figure Star Wars. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's really cool. Cartoon version of Star Wars characters. That's really cool. Star Wars every day. Oh, it's a craft book and a cookbook all in one. That's very clever. Eat, sleep, watch Disney Plus, and repeat. Oh, that's interesting.
Like the purple? It's a hoodie though, not a jacket. Do you like the hoodie or not?
Yeah, I like the hoodie. Disney's going to be turning 100 years old this upcoming year.
They also have like hats and stuff.
Well, which one would you get if you were me, Troy?
I mean, this one seems most like you, but that's just me.
All right, yeah.
Well, it depends on if you actually want it, dude.
I actually want it. I mean, Disney's going to be turning 100 this upcoming year, 2023.
Hold on to that.
Okay.
I wouldn't do the purple. I wouldn't do the purple.
Alright, let's wait and see if maybe we can find one that's a jacket.
The lady said that they're
Okay.
like in every store.
Oh, Troy, look at this. Sarah, look at this. Caps that look like Darth Vader and the Stormtroopers. Yeah, that's very cool. Yep, it's a pretty good looking store here, guys. I'll be right back. We just went on Splash Mountain Critter Country at Disneyland Park, everybody, and just got some pressed pennies from the Splash Mountain pressed penny machine. Here's what I got. Excuse me. Got the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Got Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear riding on the log vehicle of Splash Mountain. Got Mickey Mouse soaked from Splash Mountain, and Mickey Mouse and his friends, along with... Oh wait, no, it's just Mickey Mouse and his friends riding on Splash Mountain. Yep, look really good.